Okay everyone, I'm going to do a quick video on my new battery box. Now for the Stryfe I had quite a large battery box, and it's quite large because it needed quite a large battery in it. This would fit up to 2200 milliamp battery, but this is an 1800. 4S, bigger the battery, the faster spin up basically. But I wanted to do something a bit different for the Swordfish, so I have. So this is obviously the biggest battery riser, I call it, for the Swordfish, which fits a 4S, and I have a lower one as well. And so what I've done is I've built a riser which fits the original top on it and even screws in nicely, which keeps the aesthetics of the Swordfish. And obviously you can print that in clear or something like that, which is a bit better than putting a big red object on the side. And it retains the ability to use a thumb screw. Now how it works is you basically print this out, different heights. You have a little standoff and you screw in from this side, which, as you can imagine, based on this huge mess, you do that first. Oh, actually no, that's not true. You can actually get to it from here. You screw on from there, which means it's stuck to the blaster, and of course you screw that back up into that, and then you can use your existing lid. You can use the flat lid or the riser lid, and that just slides in on top. So in theory, oops, don't get too sick guys and girls. If I can do it right. Can I do it right? No, I can't. How hard can it be? It's because I'm trying to do it on the camera, isn't it? And you'll be like, wow, this video has like 10 minutes trying to put the battery in. Why didn't he do that beforehand? Right, there we go. There we go. Anyway, this is not supposed to be about the single trigger brushless modification. This is about the battery box that you can free download. Cool. Hopefully you like that, guys and girls. See you later. Bye bye.